Welcome back, smart shoppers! This is Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the VISNEE newest drone, and on the right, we have the LeeIdea brushless motor drone. Which one will make you the king of the skies? Let's find out. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. First up, let's talk about the price. VISNEE comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. It's practically screaming, "Buy me, I'm a steal!" Meanwhile, LeeIdea is priced at $89. Sure, it's more expensive, but maybe it's got some hidden features that justify the extra cash. Or maybe it's just trying to look fancy. Only time will tell. Now let's get into the juicy stuff. Cameras. VISNEE sports a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable angle. It's like having a teenager with a decent smartphone. On the other hand, LeeIdea struts in with a 4K Sony sensor camera and a 90 degrees FOV. It's like comparing a flip phone to a DSLR. If you want your aerial shots to look like they were taken by a professional, LeeIdea might be your go-to. Reviewers of VISNEE appreciate the camera for casual use, but note the lack of an electronic stabilizer. LeeIdea's camera quality is often praised, although some users reported scratched lenses. Next, flight time. VISNEE comes with two 1,800 mAh batteries, giving you a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough to annoy your neighbors and still have battery left to flee the scene. LeeIdea, however, offers 20 minutes with its two 1,200 mAh batteries. Not too shabby, but if you're planning a long-distance relationship with your drone, you might want to swipe left. Reviewers of VISNEE appreciate its longer flight time, while LeeIdea users often wish for more battery life. Ease of use is critical, especially for beginners. VISNEE boasts one-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. LeeIdea, however, takes it up a notch with advanced optical flow positioning, gesture control, and a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. It's like the drone is saying, "I got this, just sit back and relax." According to reviews, VISNEE is great for kids and beginners, while LeeIdea's advanced features are loved by both novices and experienced users. Speaking of features, let's get into the nitty-gritty. VISNEE offers 360 degrees flips, circle fly, and 3-speed modes. It's like the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. LeeIdea, on the other hand, has VR function, professional competition modes, and a brushless motor that can last up to 10,000 hours. It's like the LeBron James of drones, ready to dunk on anything that comes its way. Reviewers highlight VISNEE's fun features and LeeIdea's professional-grade capabilities. Lastly, let's talk durability. VISNEE has a clever folding design and a carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. Perfect for those who are always on the go. LeeIdea also folds and comes with a carrying case, but adds a brushless motor for extra stability and longevity. It's like comparing a Toyota to a Tesla. Both are reliable, but one has a bit more pizzazz. Reviews for both highlight the convenience of their carrying cases, but LeeIdea's brushless motor is a standout feature. Both drones have their strengths and weaknesses according to online reviews. The VISNEE newest drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, although some users experienced issues with durability and battery life. On the other hand, the LeeIdea brushless motor drone stands out for its professional camera quality, advanced features, and sturdy build. But some users reported issues with control and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The VISNEE newest drone is your affordable, reliable friend, perfect for beginners and casual users. On the flip side, the Idea brushless motor drone is the high-flying, feature-packed beast for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. Which one will it be? The choice is yours. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping, and may your drones always fly high. Product links are in the description.